Mm, Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the third unit. It is on the lenses. So we know that, or we have seen that in or nearby the areas or in surrounding the what is the lenses. So lenses means which is the used by the some commercial peoples like that the watchmakers, then photographers, and in laboratory also we use that the lenses or in microscopes, then telescopes. So in this the devices use the lenses. So what is the lenses? Lenses are also used in optical instruments such as camera, binoculars, microscope, telescopes. So, lens means a lens is made up of the transparent materials which is bounded by two non-parallel curved surfaces or by two surfaces of which one is plane and other is curved or both are curved. Is like that the lenses. The curved surface are usually spherical but sometimes cylindrical surface also. The cylindrical surface are used for the specific purposes, but there is the two types of the lenses which is the spherical and cylindrical, but here we are studying the only the spherical surface. uh, so that there is the two types of the spherical surface is convex lenses and concave lenses. Convex lens means mm, are are three types another also. So there is the double convex as seen in the diagrams, then the plano convex is diagram B, then concave convex is diagram C. So any convex lens can be recognized from the fact that it is the thicker at the center than its the edges. Like that is the concave lenses. Concave lenses also the double concave lens, plano concave lens, and convex concave lens. So these lenses is inner inner sides is the thin and outer side the thick, so it's like that. Then there is the second point is concept of focus of the lens. So focus of the lens means when a ray is parallel to the principal axis of the convex lens pass through the lens, this converges to a point on the a principal axis of the lens. This point is called the principal focus f, so which is given in the diagram. So these the parallel lenses are coming to the lens and is passed through and it's converging means it's coming together at a one point, means this image of these the objects is given here at this point. So that is the principal focus point f capital. Then principal axis means a straight line is passing through the centers. So this is the principal axis, or this is the optical centers. Then this is the focal length of the lens, which is the concave lens is like that. Then focal length of the lens. So focal length of the convex lens or concave lens means it is the distance between the principal axis and principle of focus f. So this distance is the uh, uh, focal length of the lens. In concave lens, so this is the principal axis and this is the uh, principal point f. So this distance between two points is called the focal length. Then there is the power of lens. Power of lens means it is the degree of the conversion or divergence, and it is the reciprocal of the focal length. So this is the power of lens is P is equal to 1 upon the f. F is the focal length and its units the diameter and it unit by the d. So This is the power of the power of lens. Then there is some magnification, or the lens's formula is 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. So u means object distance, v means image distance, and is the focal length. So magnification of the lens, it is depend upon the ratio of the size of the image eye to the size of the object. So that is the magnification of the lens. Then we are getting m is only expressed is the numerical terms. It is sign, positive or negative, only enable us to determine whether the image is erected or inverted. So applications of the lenses is the given. So the convex lens is given is the hypertropia, then convex lens it is the myopia, and its remedies on the presbyopia, and it is used in binoculars. These lenses are used in simple microscope. It is also used in telescope for focusing of the image, compound microscope, telescope, and astronomical telescopes are used for the convex lens. So this is about the lenses. We will see in the next